And there's no end to ongoing stalemate between resident doctors and centre. In a mega show of strength, doctors from 5 states have gathered in Delhi to protest for the fulfillment of their demand, fast-tracking of NEET PG counselling. Doctors from Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh have come forward and joined the protesting doctors in the national capital. Earlier, the doctors had suspended their protest for a brief period last week after centre's assurance on meeting their demands. But the doctors were forced to resume protest owing to the deafening silence on the assurances made. Let me go across to my colleague Ayushman for more on this. Ayushman, we can see that the protest seems to be getting bigger in the national capital. But is it strong enough to actually, get some sort of a reaction from the centre? I mean, they've been standing at the doorstep of the Union Health Ministry for days now. The number of people who are joining this protest is rising by the day. More doctors from 5 other states have come in. But what is the Union Health Ministry saying? Why is there no reaction? Is there any attempt even at a dialogue now?
Well, Tanima, today is another day where the doctors are protesting right in front of Nirman Bhavan. You can see all these doctors joining the protest out here. These are the doctors who have been working for past 1.5 years without their junior batch coming in, and this is something that they have in their mind when they are protesting out here in open. This is a chilly winter morning in the national capital where the doctors from different hospitals demanding counselling of PG batches to resume is something their demand is. And we will talk to the doctors to know what happens right now, what will happen in the future course. ये बताया जा रहा था डॉक्टर मनीष की बाकी के डॉक्टर्स भी आ रहे हैं, दूसरे आसपास के स्टेट्स के डॉक्टर आ रहे हैं. आपको कितना सपोर्ट उनसे मिल रहा है? कहाँ हैं वो डॉक्टर?
बिल्कुल, अभी हमारे पास 4 स्टेट से डॉक्टर कल हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं, सारे रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर्स, और मंडे तक में 6 और स्टेट्स आ जाएंगे. और अभी तो हमारे पास जो बाहर से आए करीबन 150 डॉक्टर्स जुड़ गए, कल हमारे साथ जुड़े, और मंडे तक हम उम्मीद करें कि कम से कम 1000 तक का डॉक्टर्स बाहर से हमारे साथ प्रोटेस्ट में जुड़ जाएंगे.
सरकार की तरफ से अभी तक क्या कुछ बात हो रही है? सरकार क्या कह रही है? कोई बात हो भी पा रही है या फिर वैसे ही वो स्टेटस को मेंटेन है पहले दिन?
नहीं, बिल्कुल सरकार तो शांत बैठी है. वही आप यहाँ पे सुन भी रहे होंगे कि भारत सरकार गूंगी है, बहरी है, उनको सुनाई नहीं दे रही. यहाँ पे लोग उनके जस्ट ऑफिस के सामने यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं और उनको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. वहाँ पे उनको शर्म नहीं आ रही है कि आपके डॉक्टर्स जो कोविड में अपने जान पे खेल करके मरीजों की सेवा की, सब कुछ किया, और आपके डॉक्टर्स इतने पिछले 7 दिन से 8 दिन से स्ट्राइक पे बैठे, रोड पे खड़े हैं. आप आकर के उनसे बात करें, कम से कम उनके मजबूरी को समझे, लेकिन वो बिल्कुल ही शांत बैठे. उनको कोई मतलब नहीं है डॉक्टर्स से.
अभी भी जो एक कम्युनिकेशन का चैनल खुला होना चाहिए था, वो कम्युनिकेशन का चैनल कहीं ना कहीं खुल नहीं रहा है. बात हो नहीं रही है सरकार से.
बिल्कुल, जब पहली बार हमें मीटिंग हुई थी तो फिर से वर्बल एश्योरेंस हमारा बस यही था कि आप अगर कुछ भी दे रहे हैं तो आप हमें रिटर्न एश्योरेंस, एटलीस्ट कम से कम रिटर्न एश्योरेंस दीजिए, बट वो भी देने को तैयार नहीं है.
See, Tanima, the doctor basically want the written assurance from the government side. That unfortunately has not come, and that is the reason why you see these posters out here, the overworked resident posters, and also the least, here you can see the least you can do for COVID vaccine is to expedite PG counselling. Just these posters are reflecting the overburdened doctors' voice here in the national capital. Now they are saying that from in the coming days, the protest is only going to intensify, where doctors from the nearby states are also going to join this protest right outside Nirman Bhavan, where you see this cavalcade of positive policemen have been deployed. Barricading has been done. These doctors are protesting out here since 18th. They were assured by the government, but that unfortunately didn't work, and that is a result. The doctors are protesting out here.
Right. In fact, as you were saying, that the placards are in a way also articulating the demands that the doctors have in fact been making. They are clearly very, very solid and very insistent on the demands that they are making, that they are not going to leave, the union outside that location, outside Union Health Ministry. But the other aspect that we have also been pointing out, Ayushman, throughout this entire period of the protest is the fact that patient care has also been impacted in the national capital because of this protest. That's something that both the doctors as well as the centre have to keep in mind while they continue, on this issue, and while the logjam continues. Ayushman will keep returning to you for tracking the updates on this doctor's term.